The Ray family. We have Jeff, the old bloke, Chris, the oldish bloke, and Bella, whose idea it was. So please welcome them to the stage. Whenever you're ready, guys. You ready? You give me the thumbs up and I'll tell them to start the counter. Hello, Russell's back. How are we going? You ready to go?
I think so, yep.
Righto, 6 minutes on the clock. Good luck, guys. How easy is this going to be? Hey, your time starts now.
Hi, my name is Bella.
I'm Chris. I'm Jeff.
We're here to show you some cool electronics. Combine it with the power of my dad, Poppy and SAP HANA.
We're going to be demonstrating an environmental consumption application that was developed for Super Retail Group. They're a multinational retailer, BCF Supercheap, those guys. Combined to have an electricity bill of about $22 million. With a constant focus on the environment, cost cutting and all the other bits and pieces retailers love to do. We're trying to target a figure that says that there's a wastage in sort of human behaviour.
The percentage was 10% or $2.2 million in wasted power.
How did we start? Well, Bella, like her father and Poppy, have an interest in electronics and IT. Bella had just started on the Arduino platform and had completed her first projects in measuring light, temperature and humidity with her Poppy. She built the electronics and the code to display these on a website posted on the Arduino.
At about the same time, our CIS team, if they knew of a way to measure such simple things as light and temperature economically. So the question was literally, is there a way to measure the temperature and light in our 600 plus stores? The answer to this, for me, was simply, of course, Bella just finished it.
The solution took these very simple sensors and measured the output. It is then posts those commands to SAP HANA, which are then displayed using the native XS engine. The sensor works by showing a voltage which is directly proportional to the temperature. If we know the voltage, we know the temperature. The light sensor works the same way. If we know the voltage, we know how bright the light is. These are some sensors.
So what we've seen up here on the left-hand side is actually the post commands. So each time they're writing to HANA for each of the different sensors we have. So this was the temperature and light outputs, which would have given us the business data to drive the behaviour in store that we were looking for. And although it would have given us the reporting to drive behaviours, we thought we could do a bit more. We thought we could measure the actual power consumption in store real time rather than reporting after the fact at the end of the billing cycle.
This is where we added these little Devalecki's current transformers sensors to measure the actual power consumption. These sensors clamp around the incoming power circuit and produce a signal that you can count or use to calculate and produce actual power output at the point in time. Why is the technical detail important? Well, one, it's a demo jam. It's not meant to be fluff. And secondly, it's to demonstrate that $50 worth of components per store can drive the behaviours to reduce $2.2 million of wastage.
I didn't get to do much with this part. It is 240 volt electricity that is being measured, and I am pretty sure that Mum would have been a bit upset with Daddy and Poppy if they let me do this part.
So we now have the data being captured and displayed. We can see each one of our stores' details with the switch here. So these are our store details here, all the different brands that we have. We can see the values at each site. So they're the sensors are actually configured for each site. And then we can see the real-time data coming in. Because it's a demo jam and I'm scared, you're not seeing real-time data. Call me technical. There's a few lessons learned here already. What can we do with it though? So we can demonstrate, report, influence and encourage the team members in store through gamification to reduce the power consumption. We can display these behaviours through displaying these values in the SAP landing page, so an enterprise portal that we all use. On their team members' phones, there's widgets on the registers, on the screens in the team room kitchens, those types of things. So what we're seeing here is, this one here is the number of days under power budget. So we're trying to show them and sort of get that, that satisfaction of knowing you're under budget for the day, and how many days a row, similar to like the number of accidents, number of days accident-free at the workplace. We can also see, try again here. So we can also see here we've got some gauges running that actually show the electricity consumption for that store. So we're giving them a budget figure. We can see today, month, the year. We can also compare that store against the state, the brand and the group. So it's all the brands combined. So we can display the data in a pie graph, the total consumption for the region, state, nearest stores, those types of things. Or the world, so we've used the term the world as really a competitive type wording. So we can see here on a pie graph that this store is 13.6 kilowatt hours and it represents 13.4% of consumption for the group. So the idea here is to leverage their care and concern about the environment and the competitive nature of people. 8, 7,